Guys, normally when we press enter in MS Excel, then this highlighted cell square box moves downward. But if you want it to move up, left or right by pressing enter button, then just watch this video till the end. Welcome to the 1 minute Excel tip video series where we can learn some very useful tips and tricks in just a minute. So in order to do this, just click on Office button and then click on Excel option. Now click on Advanced and from here you can select the direction to move. Now click on OK. Look, your cell selection box is moving upwards. So guys, this is how we can move our cell selection box wherever we want by just pressing enter button. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video and I'll see you on my next one.